Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you this water leak detector. So this I have got from Rogers and this is battery operated. This is the main communicating device and this is connected to the Wi-Fi and finally to the touchpad of Hope Security. So this is how the communication goes, and this through a wire is connected to a panel, and it is just slightly above the ground around a few centimeters, so that in case of any water leak and water accumulation here, this senses and it sends the signals over here, this device, and then this is going to go to the touchpad, and from there you are going to get the alarm or monitoring center update, whatever rules that have been set. So this is how it works, and this is a really good thing, and the best place to install is in the basement, especially near your washing and drying area, because this is the area where generally water leaks. So for me, I have just kept it around a meter and so from my hot water tank, and that really helps. Thanks for watching guys.